The network addressing is one of the major responsibilities of the network layer. These network addresses are always logical, that is software-based addresses. So the host is also known as the end system that has one link to the network. And the boundary between the host and the link is known as a interface. So therefore the host can have only one interface. So if we are having the two hosts, so the interconnection between these two hosts is called as a interface. So the router is a different from the host in that it has two or more links that connected to it. Okay. So router is a different from the host. So when a router forward the datagram or some packet, then it forward the packet to the other links also. So the boundary between the router and link is also known as a interfaces. And the router can have the multiple interfaces. So one of each of its links. So each interface is capable of sending and receiving the IP packets so that the IP requires each interface to have an address. So each interface we require a IP address. So in the each IP address is a 32-bit long. Okay. So for unique identification, we are using the IP address. So this IP address has 32-bit long and they are represented in the form of dot decimal notation. So where each byte is written in the decimal form and they are separated by the period. So an IP address would look like 193.32.216.9. So this is a 32-bit address. So this is a 32-bit address where the 193 represents the decimal notation of the first 8 bit of an address. Okay. So from this 32-bit address, 193 represent the decimal notation of a first 8 bit. Okay. So 193 represent in the form of binary 8-bit notation. 32 is also represented in the binary 8-bit representation. Also the 216 is also represented in the binary 8-bit representation and 9 also represented in the 8-bit binary representation. So 193 has 8-bit, 32 has 8-bit, 216 has 8-bit and 9 also has a 8-bit. So total bits are 32. 8 into 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, so total 32 bits IP address is used in the network. And each bit is represented in a dot decimal. Okay, so this is a 8-bit representation dot, then 32 is also 8-bit representation or a decimal value of dot 216.9. So okay, so 32 represent the decimal notation of second 8-bit of an address. Router has three interfaces. So this is our router has a three interfaces labeled as 1, 2 and 3. And each router interface contain its own address. Okay, each router contain its own address. So 1, 2 and 3. So we are using here LAN 1, LAN 2 and LAN 3. So each host contain its own interface and own IP address. So each host, so these are the hosts A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So each host has a unique IP address. So all these interfaces are attached to the LAN 1, LAN 2 and LAN 3. So all these three interfaces or hosts ABC are attached with LAN 1, D and E interfaces are attached with LAN 2 and FG interfaces are attached with LAN 3. So here in the LAN 1 interfaces having the IP addresses is in the form of 223.1.1.1. Again 223.1.1.2 series. Okay. So यहाँ पे देखो ये जो एड्रेस है पहले के जो 3 बीट्स डेसिमल वैल्यूज है वो क्या है सेम है बट लास्ट वाला जो बीट क्या कर रहे हैं हम उसको चेंज कर रहे हैं मतलब इसका एड्रेस 1 होगा इसका एड्रेस 2 3 तो ये क्या है ये तीनों भी इंटरफेसेस एक ही लैन को कनेक्टेड है सिमिलरली लैन 2 एंड लैन 3 आईपी एड्रेसेस in the form of 223.1.2.1 सो यहाँ पे देखो फर्स्ट 2 बीट सेम है बट लास्ट वाला 2.1 2.2 है सो यहाँ पे ये लैन 2 को कनेक्ट होंगे और लैन 3 के लिए 223.1 3.1 और 3.2 सो ये लैन 3 के लिए कनेक्टेड है क्लियर आया समझ में नेटवर्किंग में एड्रेसिंग कैसे करते हैं आईपी एड्रेस कैसे यूज करते हैं यस और नो So here each IP address consists of two parts. So the first part is the 3 bytes in IP address and specifies the network and the second part that is the last byte of an IP address specifies the host in the network. Okay. First bits are used for the network and last 2 bytes are used for the host in the network and host. So the next point is a IP address. IP address is an address having the information about how to reach a specific host. Okay, so IP address क्या डिनोट करता है अगर हमें ये राउटर अगर यूज करते सो ये राउटर से हमें इन कम्युनिकेशन करना है सो कौन से इंटरफेस के थ्रू हमें कम्युनिकेट करना है वो ये कैसे पता चलेगा सो यहाँ पे क्या किया है हर एक इंटरफेस या फिर होस्ट को हमने आईपी एड्रेस असाइन किया है सो हर एक होस्ट का आईपी एड्रेस क्या होगा यूनिक होगा ओके सो आईपी एड्रेस का यूज क्या है आईपी एड्रेस इज अ एड्रेस हैविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हाउ टू रीच अ स्पेसिफिक होस्ट मतलब अगर राउटर
Thank
अगर
you.
यूज कर रहा है ये वाला आईपी एड्रेस तो ये क्या करेगा ये राउटर ये वाला ए जो है उसके साथ कम्युनिकेट करेगा इजीली कम्युनिकेट करेगा